You see, it is predicted that in future wars would be fought because of water. It is becoming such a scarce commodity now. And what we have to understand is how do we harness the water which we have got on the Mother Earth to ensure that we are not hard pressed in terms of accessibility to water. What we have found, and many a times as you would observe also, that we have floods in our country, we face floods, we see a lot of wastage of water leaking from the pipelines, we see that there is no water harvesting done. Whereas, many a times we have seen water is not being supplied with the plea by the service provider that we have run out of water. The reservoir doesn't have the water tank doesn't have water. So if the overhead tanks don't have water, if the reservoir doesn't have water, which means what? Which means we are not using water in a very judicious manner, in a very responsible manner. So it is very important for every citizen to understand that how do you use water in a judicious manner. And not only the citizens, the service providers, the people who supply water to the household, people who are responsible to supply water to the household, they have to also understand that they just can't say the pipeline was leaking or 60% of the water is wasted. I must tell you one fact, that because we don't supply water 24/7 in the residences, 60% of the water gets wasted. Because why? Because we are not predicting the time when the water will come. So people are storing water. And once you store water, and then what happens when the water comes, you sometimes are compelled to throw that water away, which you have stored. So if the water supply is there 24/7 continuously, and we don't depend on overhead tanks, we save more than 60% of the water in our country. So it is high time the municipalities understood the need for 24/7 water supply to all consumers.